In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add USDT to your MetaMask wallet with ease. If you're finding it difficult to locate your USDT or any ERC20 token within MetaMask, don't worry, I've got you covered. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a thorough understanding of how to manually import tokens by using their contract addresses. This is a great skill to have under your belt, especially if you're diving deeper into the world of cryptocurrencies and decentralized finance. First, you'll want to ensure that you have your MetaMask extension open in your browser. If you're new to MetaMask, it's a cryptocurrency wallet that's available as a browser extension or a mobile app, allowing you to manage your Ethereum and Ethereum-based tokens. Once you have MetaMask launch, check you're logged into your account and on the appropriate network, usually Ethereum mainnet for tokens like USDT. Next, we're going to focus on finding the option to import tokens. You'll find this option at the bottom of your token list. Go ahead and click on Import Tokens. This is where you'll be able to bring in tokens that are not automatically visible in your wallet by default. Even popular tokens like USDT might not show up if they haven't been manually added yet. Now, let's move on to the next crucial step, which involves the USDT contract address. This address acts as a unique identifier for USDT on the Ethereum blockchain. It ensures that the token you are adding is authentic and not some imposter or a similarly named token. To find this, you can visit a reliable source like Etherscan, which is essentially a blockchain explorer for Ethereum. Once there, you can search for USDT and you'll find the official contract address. For your convenience, you'll want to copy this address to your clipboard. As a reminder, the official USDT contract address is 0xDC17F958D2 EE523A220620699459 7C13G1EC7. Head back to your MetaMask window. In the Token Contract Address field within the Import Tokens section, paste the contract address you've just copied. Doing this will automatically fill in the token symbol and the decimal precision fields for you. This feature helps ensure that you import the token correctly without any need for additional setup on your part. After you've pasted the contract address, take a moment to double-check everything to ensure that it's correct. Once satisfied, click on the Add Custom Token button and then confirm by clicking Import Tokens. Congratulations! You've just successfully added USDT to your MetaMask wallet. Remember, this method isn't just limited to USDT. It can be applied to any ERC20 token you want to add to your MetaMask wallet, as long as you have their official contract address on hand. Always make sure you're getting contract addresses from trustworthy sources to avoid any potential pitfalls or scams. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful and informative. Happy crypto managing!